This is the BiO-G Skin Conditioning Essence. This goes on right after you wash your face when it's nice and dry. So this was sent to me as a trial, and I can honestly say that this stuff is amazing. I've been using it since I got it because I wanted to be able to do an honest review, and I will be rebuying this because the amount of moisture that it brings to my skin after I wash my face is quite impressive. So what you do is, so you get it like this, and it's quite watery, but it's watery on purpose. So you get it like this, and then it says to always warm it up before you put it on your fin. So I just kind of hold it in between my palms like they told me to on the instructions on the bottle, and I can really see a difference because when I first did it, I would just kind of slathered it on my face. But if you actually read the directions like I did after using it a couple times, it makes a big difference. So anyway, you just kind of pat it onto your face, and then it tells you to wait about 3 minutes before you put anything else so that it can actually be fully absorbed into your skin. And it's so nice. Like, I can notice a difference in how moisturized my skin feels when I don't use it. So you just let it sit for 3 minutes, and then once your 3 minutes is up, then you can put your lotion on or whatever. But I always like to put the extra on the back of my hand so I don't waste it. But this stuff is fantastic. It has 7 different types of fruit extracts in it, and the main goal for this is to basically fix and repair your skin barrier and make sure that it doesn't get to the point where it needs to be fixed. So it's kind of like a protect it and also something that will help you fix it. So if you guys are looking for something that is just what it says it is, this is definitely it. I would definitely check this out. I don't think you'll be disappointed.